This isn't a red backdrop, it's a white one. This whole look is created using an optical snoot to project this red circle onto the background. I'm shooting on a plain white backdrop, but the snoot completely transforms it into this deep cinematic red. For lighting, I've got a parabolic softbox on the left hand side at the front. Soft, controlled and focused because of the grid. Then on the back at the right hand side, I'm using a rectangular softbox, also gridded, just to add some separation and shape. Altogether, it gives me a really clean 3-light setup with no unnecessary spill. We've kept everything mid and close up to really emphasize the light and the mood. The first outfit is a red 2-piece, which blends perfectly into the scene and keeps everything cohesive. Then we switch to a black and yellow striped dress, which adds contrast and makes the lighting stand out even more. Simple setup, but a really high-end look. If you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and come back for the next one.